Hello, I'm Stephanie. I am a senior and I am the president of CVHS Diabolo Club.
My name is Nguyen, and I am a member of the CVHS Diabolo Club.
I'm Charles Tang. I am a junior and I am the performance manager of the Diabolo Club.
Diabolo is a form of juggling. It involves these spinning diabolos or yo-yos.
The yo-yo, it's two plastic cups basically on a bearing in the middle, and the thing about them is that the bearing only spins one way.
It's always like the first 2 days that are the most awkward, where you don't know how to move the yo-yo. But then the learning curve is really quick. You start picking up a bunch of skills and they all build on each other, and it's very rewarding.
Woo! It is scored based on technique. You have technique here, you have performance here. So how well do you sync up with the music? Is your audience engaged? Are you looking up? That is a very prominent thing. A lot of Diabolo players will look down at their yo-yo. So looking up and engaging with the audience. And so those are the two main categories, performance and your technique.
So we have, I guess, a solid roster of about 8 performers, and there's a few people who come in and out but don't really audition to perform. They're just here for fun. So it's definitely a lot larger than it was when I first started with 3 people.
All right, our next performer is Nguyen.
I signed up because Charles said he would sign up. I chose Gangnam Style, and I felt that this would be a kind of energetic and also fun song that a lot of generations can relate to or enjoy in the performance.
Our next performer we have is Charles.
It was actually my first tournament ever, so I can only go up from here, you know. I used a lot of Vogue dance and integrated it with my yo-yo performance. And for a test of concept, I performed it at my school's iFest, and it was a really big crowd pleaser. Everybody seemed to enjoy the style of dance, and because I think it's really important, especially now, given the current day, that these marginalized groups do get the representation and that I share queer culture as well.
Chinese yo-yo has been a way for me to reconnect with parts of my culture. So it goes even beyond just, oh, this is a really cool hobby I partake in and I can share it with people at my school and look really cool when I land a trick. It's also being able to spread this cultural art that was originally really, really niche in the US, and is now slowly growing because of the efforts of our community as a whole. Yay, go Charles!
So I think it's just really important to find any hobby in general. I think yo-yo is a really good one. His artistic expression really helps build confidence as well.
It's really rewarding when you are able to land a trick, no matter how difficult the trick is.
We will always be here to show you how to properly throw and catch a yo-yo. You should join Yo-Yo Club.